There's a place where the ocean meets the edge of the world, where cliffs rise bold against the Atlantic and waves shape the essence of every shore. Villages and islands bustle with colour and character, while lighthouses stand as beacons of welcome and wonder. This is West Cork. A land that doesn't just face the sea, it lives by it, in flavour, in spirit. Feel the power of the ocean on the rugged shores, taste the fresh, bold flavours of coastal cuisine, and meet the warm-hearted people who call this place home. This is a feeling where you come alive. So come to discover, to connect, to experience West Cork. The wild Atlantic way begins here.